from We Love Food World, Ricardo Nunes and Antonia, septimo. Hi people! Ngayon po ay magluluto tayo ngayon ng pineapple with chicken. So, ito yung mga recipe. Masarap po ito, pineapple with chicken. So, guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga recipe, okay? Okay guys, ito yung mga recipe. This is our recipe. Okay, meron tayong eggplants, talong. Meron tayong first milk, instead the coconut. Okay, so basically guys, is coconut, but I'm gonna put first milk. Masarap din to. And then meron tayong olive oil, chicken, at meron tayong pineapple. At meron tayong pepper, salt, garlic, and chicken stock, luya, at onion. Okay, ito yung sibuyas, bawang, luya, nor. Ayan. So, pineapple, pinya. So, guys, at ito naman yung talong, gatas, saka oil. Okay guys, at ito yung manok. Okay, ayan, nagtagalog na tayo at nag-English, nag-Bicol pa. So guys, at ayan yung pan ko. Inaantay ko lang yung mag-init. Okay people, this is our recipe. Ayan, masarap po to. So, ayan, gatas po ang gagamitin natin dyan instead of coconut. Okay? So, masarap din yung gatas. Basically, guys, coconut, but I'm gonna put fresh milk. So, much better. Okay, people. Ayan. Sige. At, umpisahan na natin. Ayan yung mga recipe ko. Okay, pinakita ko na. This is our recipe. So, ayan. Painitin lang natin. Lagyan natin siya ng a little bit olive oil. Ayan. So, lulutin natin yung manok. So, yung chicken. Ayan. Antayin lang natin. Okay, guys. Okay, people. Lagyan natin yung manok. Okay? Ayan. Lutuin muna natin yung manok. Ayan. Yung mantika, tumatalsik. Ito guys. Ayan talaga. Sana maging brown lang siya. It smells good. It smells delicious, people. Pero, napakainit kasi ng pan. So, really hot. It's really good too. Pero, amazing. Ayan. Guys. Lagay natin yung paper, ha? Lagay natin yung luya. Ayan. Then, lagay natin yung sibuyas. Onion. Ayan. Lagay natin yung garlic. At pahaluin lang natin. Okay. Haluin ng haluin. Oh, wow. It's really delicious. Very, very good smell. Lagay natin yung asin. Wow. Wow, wow. Okay. Haluin lang natin. At lagay natin yung nor. Lagay natin yung pineapple. Haluin natin guys. Oh, it smells good. It smells delicious, people. It smells really good. Okay. And then guys, lagay natin yung coconut. Wow. And then, wait. Pakukuluan natin siya. Just boiled until the chicken is tender and cooked. Okay? So, yan. Amazing. Okay guys. Tingnan nyo na lang yung niluluto ko. Amazing, isn't it? Sarap ng amoy. Delicious. Siyempre. Okay guys, tingnan nyo na lang yung niluluto ko. Wow. Amazing, isn't it? Sarap ng amoy. Delicious. Siyempre. Okay guys, lagay natin yung aubergine. Yung talong. Ayan. Hiwain lang natin. Hiwain. Haluin. Just mix it guys, okay? Ayan. Sarap. Masarap yung amoy niya guys. It smell good. It smell delicious. Ayan. And then after that, takpan natin siya para yung talong maluto. I'm gonna put the cover and then so the aubergine gonna cook, okay? Cook nicely. That's it. Ayan people, look at this. And I'm gonna put fish sauce. Okay, just a bit. Ayan, look at this. Nilagyan ko din siya ng laurel para mas masarap. Look at this people. Nice and smell delicious. Isn't it? Okay guys, alisin na natin yung lid, okay? Haluin natin siya. Look at that. Okay guys, look at that. Amazing. Okay, it's all done. So the chicken is cooked. It's ready for a serve. Okay people. Lagay na natin sa plate. Okay guys. Ayan. And then lagay na natin yung sa plate. Oh, it's yummy. Chicken thighs. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya ng aubergine. Nice aubergine, guys. Nice. Okay. Okay. Wow, amazing. Okay, look at this. Chicken with pineapple. Okay, lagyan natin siya ng a little bit parsley on top. Green. Okay. And then, look at that chili. Wait. Okay, guys. Wow, look at that amazing. My chicken pineapple. Okay. Hola, Carlos Diaz, Elsa Benzi, Virginia Luli, Vinya Comer. Mwah! Mwah. Okay, people, hopefully you like my recipe today and you are enjoying my recipe. Pineapple chicken with aubergine. It's look amazing and delicious. And look at that chili is decoration pretty. Okay, guys, I think it's look delicious. Sa lahat pong mundo, sa lahat na kabayan, ayan po yung pininyahang manok. Ang sarap, masarap yung amoy. So, guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe and like. In the kitchen, we are fire. Okay, guys. Look at this. Nakita nyo na. So, ayan. Antayin lang natin siyang kumulo. And then after that, lalagay natin yung aubergine, yung eggplants, yung talong. Okay, guys. So, ayan. Okay, people. Hopefully you like my recipe today and enjoy you watching and see you our next video and mabuhay kayong lahat. Bye. Love you all, guys. Mwah. Thank you for your watching.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Antonia septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love